Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can upload a custom font onto your Squarespace website. So let's get right into it. Now for this, what you're going to need is the, of course, font file, which you're going to need to either find or make yourself. So once you got that file, then you can go ahead and start adding it. Now, the thing you need to do first is from website, go into the pages menu and then go down. Scroll until you see website tools, click on that, and then click on custom CSS. Over here, what you're going to find is the custom files button, which you're going to want to click, and click add images or fonts, and then just search for your font file on your computer. Once you upload that, which currently I don't have it, but it doesn't matter. Once you upload your file, you're going to just paste this code right over here, and this is going to be your starting code for your font. Now for your font family, you're going to put the font title that you want. So for example, test font, I'll just name it like that, and the source should be the URL for your font. So for example, test font dot whatever it is, you just put the extension which needs to be added for the font, and then since it's already added to your site, you don't actually have to place the URL. You're just gonna put the file name of that font over here. And then in the font family, you can add H1, H2, and H3. However, you can add that code and customize your font over here in the custom CSS. But once you're done with that, you're just going to go ahead and click save. And once you've saved that, then officially your font should be added to your site. And that is pretty much it. Then to actually check if your font is there, just go over and click some text and edit the text and select the font that you want and the type that you want, and that should be pretty much all you need to know. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.